On behalf of the Illinois Tech Board of Trustees, I offer my warmest congratulations to the graduating class of 2021. I'm probably not the first to tell you that you are a singular group of graduates. After all, over the past year, you worked hard and achieved tremendous progress against the backdrop of an era-defining global pandemic. Not easy. Each and every one of you should be immensely proud of your capacity to adjust and persist in the hard work you've done to arrive at this momentous day. The challenges we have faced this past year together and continue to face today test the boundaries of our individual and collective capacity and resilience. And yet, it's also inflection points like this that provide us with the opportunity to create transformational change. We do that by taking bold action with purpose as our North Star. We don't articulate our purpose in a vacuum. Purpose is inextricably tied to the needs of the world and humanity. Since its founding over a century ago, Illinois Tech has walked a purpose-driven path. The distinctive ethos and purpose of this university, the collective power of our differences to make a difference, translates to a community of nonlinear, outside-the-box thinkers and doers. That's you. And it is the power of this difference, reflected in your unique backgrounds and gifts, your varied perspectives, and your diverse minds, that leads to distinctive, exceptional solutions, design, and entrepreneurial inventions that impact the world in profound and just ways. Most people know that practical innovation is foundational to Illinois Tech. Our learning establishes a groundwork of theory and excellence, but it doesn't stop there. It puts that theory and excellence to work to solve real-world problems in real-world settings to make a real-world difference in people's lives. And so, simply put, this moment is your moment. Purpose is inextricably tied to the needs of the world and community. And as emerging leaders, hailing from an institution deeply steeped in purpose, this is your moment, not just to rise to meet the challenges of these extraordinary times, but importantly, also to lead what comes next. As an alumnus and as a board member, I urge you to remain closely connected with Illinois Tech and our extraordinary community, and to continue to share in and contribute to the university's commitment to its singular founding purpose, which is to give all a seat at the table of innovation and professional advancement. As you go out into the professional world, you will find the same spirit in every Illinois Tech alumnus you meet. Each may have a different how in the past that they have embarked on, but what you will also find is a common through line in the impact that they and you are called to make. I thank you all for all that you have done, and importantly, all you will continue to do in the world to make this, our founding purpose, a reality, which is to harness the collective power of difference to advance technology and inclusive and just progress for all. You make us so incredibly proud.